So our papaya leaf, papaya leaf oil, it has cooled down. So I want to pour it inside this jar. You can use it to rub your hair if you want long hair. Okay. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. In this video I want to prepare papaya leaf oil. So here is my papaya leaf. You can use this to wash your hair. You can blend it like this and use this to wash your hair. So I want to use this to prepare oil. So here is my coconut oil. We want to use this to prepare it. Watch how we prepare it is on my YouTube channel. This coconut oil, extra virgin. So this leaf I've already washed it, so I want to plug it here. When you wash it, you have to allow it to the water to dry before you prepare it. It's okay like this. Okay. If you want longer hair, use pawpaw leaf oil. It will make your hair to grow very well. Kill dandruff. It's clear dandruff, okay? ready now. You see? Oh, water. So this is our papaya leaf oil. So I'm going to leave it to cool down. It's very nice for hair. So our papaya leaf oil, it has cooled down. So I want to pour it inside this jar. You can use it to rub your hair if you want long hair. Okay, it kick dandruff. You can use this to make soap if you want to prepare soap. Thank you very much for watching. It's good for skin too. They have a lot of benefits. If you have skin rashes, you can use it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.